The first time I did it, I made them too big, so for some reason when I put them in the oven, I don't know, like they got like this big for some reason, I don't know. Welcome to another episode of What is Cooking with the Body Hit Trainers, and today we're going to be making my vegan burgers, but first, before we start, set up your ingredients. For the vegan burger, the first thing you need, of course, are the beans. Now, little spoiler alert, you need to know that I already put these beans, who were raw, in water for 2 days. I put that in my fridge. Afterwards, when I took them out, I boiled them until they're very soft. So when I grab one of these, I can easily squinch them and they look like a little tiny miniature pancake. Yeah, so this is how soft you have to cook them. Then you need one of these kitchen machine. So if you don't have a food processor like this, you can use one of these and just stomp them and then use like everything else that I did. Just make sure your onions are like a little finely chopped or even grated. The garlic as well. And just add everything in like a big bowl. And that's it. And then you have the same results. I just really am fond of my food processor as it saves me so much time. First thing we're going to do is we're going to blend these beans. Just the beans. I like to do first the beans. Get all that in. Good. So that is that. Then I'm going to show you. Let's see if I can show you. Look, so this is how it looks. Then I'm going to add the onions and the garlic. As I said, already chopped and ready. Just scraping off some sides because it sticks really easy to it. And that way I can keep blending, making it to a very nice substance. Just a little bit more. Now, then I'm using today for the herbs. You can actually use whatever herbs you like. I'm using today a little bit of pepper, and this is called my pizza herbs, and my pizza herbs contain different kinds of herbs. It contains oregano, basil, red pepper, and that's it. So it's a little bit of a mixture of everything, which I really like, and it's nice and easy. So I'm just adding that like as much as I want, and some pepper. Oh, just do it like this, but carefully. Don't want to make it too spicy. And I'm adding, of course, my almond flour. And that's it. Just let it blend some more. Again, scraping a little bit off the side as I see, to make sure everything blends evenly. That is it. I'm going to show you. Hold on. So like this. Let me see if you can see. Like this. So it's a nice evenly blend. Now from these I'm going to make burgers. The first time I did it, I made them too big. So for some reason when I put them in the oven, I don't know, like they got like this big for some reason. I don't know. So I'm going to make them a little bit smaller. So hopefully they're going to turn out amazing. So now we're going to make, let's see. And I brought this, so I don't know for what, but you can put that one to the side. So I'm just gonna, maybe like a spoon, like these. And just make a little burger, not too big. See, just like this. And just put them. So I actually started with this recipe because I was not going vegan or vegetarian, but just not eating as much meat as I was doing before. So I was looking at a lot of different recipes that were meatless, vegetarian, things like that. And then I came across these burger beans. I'm like, burger beans? It sounded a little bit weird, but then after my first try, oh my god, it was so good. Plus, it's super nice and easy because you can also use it like as a snack. So I would just make a couple of them, just put them in a Tupperware, and then whatever, when I need like a quick snack or something, just grab a burger, you eat it on the way, and that's it. And you have a nice, healthy snack, which contains a lot of protein, as beans contain a lot of protein. And you're not eating any junk, plus everything comes from the oven, so I didn't fry anything, so I don't have to use any oil. So hopefully you can like them as well. I do have to say I'm more fond of the brown beans color, because when you have the brown beans, when you make the burger, it looks like an actual hamburger. So you can really, like trick yourself. I'm gonna put them in the oven right now for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna take them out and turn them around, and then probably we're gonna do 10 more minutes. I need to double check when we take them out. My oven is set to 200 degrees. Okay, see you right back. Okay, so the burgers are done, and we're gonna get them out of the oven. Let's see, because we have to turn them around. Ooh, they smell nice. Actually, you cannot smell what I'm smelling right now. It smells really good. Okay, let's try this gently, because I know the last time went a little interesting. Okay. Okay, that's done. I'm just gonna pop them back in, and we're gonna leave them for, I'm gonna do 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna check on them, and then let's see if I'm gonna do 5 more of them done. Yeah? See you in 10 minutes. Okay, so another 10 minutes have passed. We're gonna check on the burgers. Oh no, they're definitely done. They're really nice. Let me see if I can show you the burgers. So look, as you can see, they're nice and firm, and they're actually going to be hardening a little bit more over time when you put them in the fridge, which is really nice because you get a very nice structure. Right now they're a little like half soft, half hard-ish, which is fine because that's the way they're supposed to be. So yeah, so these are the burgers. And to give you some tips about how to serve them, you can do this, of course, with some fries, with a little bit of salad, or cooked vegetables. It doesn't really matter. You can combine all these different types of things. Maybe next time I can make my sweet potato fries, and then we can do them together with the burgers and a little bit of vegetables next to it as well. And that is it. So these are the burgers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my vegan burgers today. Let me know in the comments below how you've enjoyed them. Of course, do not forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that notification bell so you would never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.